I'm Solomon Stephen from Stone Logistics Company Nigeria Limited. I have over 10 years experience in driving heavy-duty trucks, and above all, SINOTRUK is one of the best trucks I ever drive so far. Chinese make this truck for a Nigeria road. I recommend everyone to go for this SINOTRUK due to the durable of the truck and highly effective. And in terms of diesel consumption, is very low. So if you are going to transport business in terms of heavy duty truck, I recommended you to go for SINOTRUK. And I believe you will call me to thank me later.